What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to fix the camera not working in Snapchat for the iPhone 13. This will work for the iPhone 13 and most versions of the iPhone as well. So Snapchat is really a great social media platform that allows you to quickly connect with friends and other people in your area. But of course, one of the major things that you need to make sure that Snapchat works on your iPhone is to have the camera working. And sometimes when you install Snapchat or reinstall Snapchat, the camera might not be enabled by default, or permissions to the camera might not be enabled by default on the iPhone 13. So if you're finding that the camera isn't toggled or you can't access permissions on the camera all the time through Snapchat, it's actually a pretty quick fix. What you want to do is go into your settings. And then from there, you want to scroll all the way down your list of apps, which is at the bottom of your settings, until you see Snapchat. You want to hit Snapchat, and then from there, you want to make sure that the camera is toggled on. If the camera is toggled off, then Snapchat will prompt you to say that the camera is not accessible every time you try to access it through Snapchat. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to fix the camera not working for Snapchat for the iPhone 13. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.